and welcome.
Hello and welcome. You with us on BTTV. I'm Abha Bakaya. Let's take a look at markets this afternoon and where we're at. Let's pull up the index for you first and foremost to see what the action's looking like this afternoon. Just a touch in the green. We're just seeing about 0.2% uptick at this point of time. Nifty at 18,796 and Sensex at 63,286. No major moves coming in, just holding water at these levels. Let's take a look at some of the gainers for you today. The bank nifty flat, but on the green side, IT index is seeing a 0.6% uptick coming in. And of course, it's the broader markets where we continue to see a decent amount of action as well. Let me welcome on Ms. Raghavinder Singh, who's joining us on the show today. Raghu, let me get your perspective on some of the action unfolding today. We'll come back to the index in a moment, but let's focus on IT. The Nifty IT is actually up 0.6%, and we've got some key gainers across that pack. In fact, HCL Tech, Infosys, some of these names are all reversing the trend we've otherwise seen on the IT pack recently.
Hello, Ava. I think IT stock is, about to break out. IT index is looking very strong, and there are 2-3 stocks: Persistent, LTTS, Infosys. These three stocks are going to make a good breakout in coming days. So I'm very much bullish in IT index and IT stocks right now.
Okay, let's take a look at some of those names, whether it be the large caps, mid caps, and the kind of move you anticipate so people can really plan their strategy accordingly as well. I mean, even a Persistent today, I mean, it's up 0.5%, but it's at, 4,968.
Right.
It's not cheap exactly.
No, absolutely right. So in the mid cap and small cap segment, I'm expecting Power Finance Corporation is going to give a good breakout above 204. I'm expecting 225, and with the stop loss of 190.92 rupees. And apart from that, metal stocks, Hindalco is looking very good. Hindalco, I'm expecting 438, 39. Current market price is, I think, 427. So these 2-3 stocks are looking very good. And apart from IT and metal, banking stocks, I think ICICI Bank is under pressure, and I think ICICI Bank will outperform the market, which can lead the bank nifty up to 44,200.
Okay, so within the banks, since we're on financials, is that the only one you'd look at? I mean, that's clearly top of your list, but would there be others from the financial pack that would also make the cut?
ICICI Bank, apart from that, Axis and SDFC is into the tight range. So ICICI Bank is, I'm taking, a positive call because it has given a very good breakout above 925. So ICICI Bank is my pick only in this segment.
Okay, so sticking to an ICICI right now. Let's take a look at the auto index as well. We're seeing a fair amount of action there. Tata Motors, in fact, up over 3% today. So clearly that one's driving ahead. We also got a slew of launches lined up for this year. And, monsoon's just around the corner. What's your view when it comes to some of those auto names? About, 3-4 of them are actually all buzzing today. We'll bring them up on the screen right now.
Yes, auto index, in auto segment, I am very much bullish in Ashok Leyland. This stock has not given yet a very good return. I am expecting this stock to touch 190, 195 rupees very soon. And apart from the Tata Motor, yes, it has given a very good breakout after a long time. And Maruti is also, I am expecting to touch 10,000 plus very soon. So auto index, yes, these are looking very good stocks in this.
All right. That's on the auto pack. Even auto ancillaries are buzzing today. I mean, take a look at something like JBM, for instance. Some of these names are up about 9 to 10%. Jamna Auto is up 10% in today's trade. So, a lot of action that we're seeing even in auto ancillaries. Just look at the spike on that stock. Talking about the larger market as well, Raghavendra, the small cap index today is also, trending at those high levels as we've been seeing that momentum build up across the mid caps and small caps. What's your take there? Are there any other stocks that you're tracking? We've seen a whole host of them hit 52-week highs from the small cap index.
Yeah, small cap index are hitting very high. Currently, I'm not tracking any stocks. Yes, but index, Nifty and Bank Nifty, I'll just share my view with you. Nifty, I think, unless until it break below 18,680, Nifty is very strong above that. We have seen 2-3 times Nifty has taken strong support near 18,700. I'm expecting 19,000, 19,200 very soon in this week also. The kind of momentum we have seen from the lower level. So I'm expecting these, Nifty and Bank Nifty to make new high very soon.
What's your view on Bharti Airtel, given the new Morgan report on the stock?
Yeah, Bharti Airtel is little bit, it is trading in a very tight range. I'm very much bullish in this stock, but again, this is the long-term view. So Bharti Airtel, I'm expecting above 888, 900 very soon into this.
Okay, a few other names, at a 52-week high. I just want to bring up some of these. Shriram Finance, I mean, what a move on that counter,
Yes.
close to 6%. Let me get your take on it, Raghvendra.
Yes, SRT Finance. Yes, we are tracking this stock since very long time. This stock has given very good run up, in last 2-3 days. Again, we are still bullish into this, and I'm expecting this stock to touch, 1500 plus marks. And yes, there is a huge buying we have seen in this stock. So open interest and the option data suggests this stock is going to give a fresh breakout on the higher side.
What about some amount of monsoon action? I mean, look at fertilizer and chemicals. It's up about 10% today. That one's at the day's high, at a 52-week high right now, 433. That one in particular is looking good. I mean, other stocks at a 52-week high, Mazgaon, Dock, Engineers India, HEG. But, talking about the oncoming monsoon, any pockets where you're expecting to see? I mean, market experts have split. Some are expecting some amount of pressure due to the monsoon impact. Some are anticipating a weak monsoon. But if we're I don't know which side of the argument you're on, but any stocks that you're also tracking, keeping in mind some of those factors?
In these kind of stocks, we are not tracking. Actually, we are the index trader, so we normally prefer to trade in the index stock, maybe a sum of the few of the mid cap and small cap stock. But yes, these are the cyclical stocks. These are the seasonal stock, you can say. So there's not much scope in these stocks. But yes, if someone want to invest for a shorter period of time, definitely they can look for few stocks.
Great. Talking about index stocks, what about an Indigo, especially after the big news yesterday? How's that one looking? Let's actually pull it up because the news came in later yesterday, but just to get a sense of how the stock fared through the session, it was really the one that was primarily in action on the news front, but not much of a reaction in trade today. Perhaps market men also anticipating the weight on the balance sheet of that order. How's it looking on the charts?
Yes, Indigo is good. Indigo is looking very good. It has given a fresh breakout, but there's a missing, volume is missing into this. So I'm expecting some kind of resistance at the higher level. This can hold off after this news, but yes, overall bullish in this stock, and I'm expecting 2,500 plus target very soon.
Okay, amazing. That's fairly bullish on an Indigo. So just to summarize, and Raghvendra, if I had to take your top 5 calls today, it was an ICICI Bank, IT,
Yeah.
I can't remember which is your top pick in the IT space. Then you were tracking Shriram Finance, you're quite bullish on. Indigo, you're quite bullish on. These are some of the names that we spoke about. In IT, what was your
Right.
top pick?
In IT, I'm expecting persistent LTTS and Infosys to give a very good, fresh breakout on the higher side.
Okay. And any other calls that you'd like to leave us with today from the index? Like you said, you're still focusing on frontline names.
So I'm bullish in Nifty. I'm expecting Nifty to break new 52 weeks high maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and I'm expecting Nifty to touch 19,000 19,200 in this week. So I'll suggest one to go for the option buying with the in the money call 18,600 call to buy for this week for this expiry.
All right, fantastic. Thanks so much for joining us today. Always great speaking with you.
Thank you so much.
And bullish commentary coming in on some of those stocks this afternoon, and markets also holding water. As Raghvendra said, he is expecting a 52-week high very soon. Thanks for watching.